You can visit our website for the commands in the videos. If you want to purchase other study materials like packet tracer files and other course guidelines, then you can email to us. Follow us on Facebook for further updates. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe so I can quickly deliver more videos on various topics. You specify the 40 here. You don't need to add 2 here, okay? If they specify host per subnet, then you will add 2 with the 40. Now they are specifying only the subnets, so just add 40, okay? So then 2 to the power n greater than equal to 40 gives you 2 to the power 6, okay? So n is equal to 6 means you need 6 more network bits, okay? Earlier what we did, if you find the 2 to the power h answer, you will deduct it from the 32 and you will consider the remaining all are network bits. Now it's not the scenario. You need new 6 bits from the host side into the network side now, which means you need 6 bits for the network side additionally. For example, let's say here already /16 is there, right? Which means 16 bits are already in network side now, okay? Now for the 40 subnets, you need additional 6 bits for the network side. So what you need to do is, you need to add the 16 with the 6, okay? So which gives you the answer, 16 plus 6 gives you 22, okay? So now the network portion bits are 22, which means /22 here. Instead of the 16, it's going to be /22. So if you find /22, you can find the subnet mask as well, okay? So 22 is greater than 16. So simply you will know first 2 octets are going to be full, which means 255.255. Why it's greater than 16, right? Then the remaining, if it is 24, the third one would be also full, but it's not filled fully. So now 22 minus 16 is going to give you 6 bits, okay? So 6 bits more increase. So you can simply figure it out. You have 6 bits more for the network portion, right? Plus 16. So 16 means first 2 octets are going to be completed, which means 255.255. The third octet is not yet completed. It is having only 6 bits for the network side. So 4 bit means you can have 240 here. 5 bits mean you can have 248 here. 6 bit mean 252 here, okay? You can refer our bit borrowing table earlier. I showed it. You can see that now. And then for the 4th octet, there is no network bit, so you can fill it with 0, okay? So now you know the subnet mask 255.255.252.0, okay? Then the third step, multiply, NH mask multiply, right? For the multiplier, what are you going to do? From right to left for the subnet mask. The last change occurred in the 252, so you need to deduct the 252 from 256. So if you deduct 252 from the 256, you will get the answer as 4, which is the multiplier on the third octet. So the third octet is going to be increased by 4 on each subnet, okay? So you can find the networks by writing 192.168.0.0. Now the subnet mask is /22, so you can write /22 here. This is the first network. For the second network, in the third octet, it should increase by 4. So 0 plus 4 is 4.0. You can write /22 again, okay? So likewise, you can write continuously 192.168.0.0/22, then 192.168.4.0/22, then again 192.168.8.0/22, then 192.168.12.0/22. Likewise, you can go, okay? So after writing the first network, again we try to write the network address, valid host and broadcast, okay? So for the network address, you can try 192.168.0.0/22. First valid host is the next address of the network address, right? So 192.168.0.1, okay? Why? you know the IP flow, right? It increases from 0 to 255 one by one. Okay. So then the second network is 192.168.4.0/22.